Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn part design. Introduction to part design. In Catia, sketch editing tools are essential for creating and modifying sketches, which are the foundational elements for many 3D models. Creating sketch-based features. First feature is pad. We will see this in our software. Okay. I will draw geometry. This is our sketch-based features toolbar. Here you can see the pad command. The sketch is already selected. I will take a command. Okay, the dialog box is opened here. You can see here are the different types of obtaining a command: dimension, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. We will take as the dimension. I will give a dimension, that is extrusion height. Okay, 50. Here our sketch is already selected. If you want to mirror, here you can tick. Okay, this is how pad command works. In next command we will see pocket. I have drawn a geometry. We will take a command pocket. I will give the dimension as 30. Okay, this has get pocket. Next is a revolve. Okay, we will see how it will look after revolving. See how it looks after revolving. You have to give the axis of revolution. Next one is a revolve cut. I will draw a sketch here. Here is, you can see groove. Axis of revolution is this. Here you can give the angle at which you want to revolve your surface. Okay, this has get cut. Revolve cut. Next command is hole. You can click and here a dialog box is open. You can give here dimension as diameter, depth. Okay, I will give the diameter as 20 and depth as 30. Okay, see. This is how we can use the sketch based features. Okay, thank you.